Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review of Lot Store Series 2, made by Hasbro. There's 48 to quit. I had to get this over at the Dollar Store for $1. I've been seeing them over at Walmart between the $7.99 price range and the $9.99 price range. Kind of high for what you get. So this one is the robot one, I guess you could say. So you kind of see a little bit what you get in there. So what do you get here? You get one decorative lot, which is that one. One lot POW, which is this little mystery one over here. Two charms. We can see one charm there and the other charms in there. And then charm accessories. And then a checklist and keys and stuff. So, yep. Hasbro, they just love to put their tape on stuff. They overdo the tape. Way too much on tape. So it's kind of funny. It says, Lot On. Which is kind of funny because it kind of reminds me of Super Sentai Kamen Rider Gaim. Which is kind of like fruit wires and energy soda wires. So the main wires that use the fruit, they have like little lots that look like a fruit. It would say lot open, and then when they put them on and close it, it would say lot on, and then they have like a little place to store on their belt, henshin belt, which was probably just they had like morphers, like handheld morphers. Some had belt morphers, some had wrist morphers, kind of like those things. But anyway, say lot on, and then they'll cut it and it'll do this little theme music thing. And like the fruit's been cut in half, and with the energy ones, looks like you put a fruit in there, and then you stretch the juice into a big glass of energy fruit soda. So, yeah, kind of like a Gaim. Fruit wider. Yep. I just want to explain because it says Lot On. Yeah, that's just funny how they had it on there. And again, Hasbro, like I said, they love to tape their stuff way too much. So we get a little fur here, which is a decorative lot. It looks like a little robot. Pretty cool. Then we get our two keys, which is pretty cool. I don't know if you could see it on camera here, but this one has a little star on it. This one has a little roller face on it. Which when you flip it around, it had the same thing. Little roller face, star, same thing, just different color keys with different color pieces of string attached. This little piece right there is the exact same thing. Here's one of our little charms that we get, which is super duper teeny tiny. But it looks like, I know some people say like a little motherboard, but it is not a motherboard or a circuit board. It's actually a cassette. That's right, it's a cassette from a cassette player. A lot of you out there probably don't know what it is, but if you've seen the Bumblebee movie, you might learn what a cassette is from that movie. From Transformers Bumblebee movie. Then we get a little checklist here. let's open it up. So going here, here's our main fitters. So this fitter right here is 207 out of 24. So that means 2 is for Series 2. 7 means there's a 7-1 in the lineup. You know. And 24 means there's 24 to collect. I love how the little check boxes kind of like little keyholes. That's kind of cool. And then over here on this other side tells us what a little mystery rock pow is. And here it is. It's a little bat. I know people think that's a pearl cap, but it's actually a little bat because of its little fang there, which is 202.5 24.5. So pretty much it's right here. It's the second one right there. So it's 2 out here. Don't know what the 5 stands for. I guess the 2. I don't know what the 5 stands for because there's sits on each row. Sits, 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 sits. You know. So sits, 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 sits. So I don't know what they mean. Like 1.5, 2.5, 3.5. So I don't know what that is, but it is definitely smaller than the main one, as you can see. The keys doesn't do anything in this little one because you could just open it up like that. Now it doesn't matter what key you use. You could use either key in here. Let's go with the Pro one because it's probably going to show up a little bit better on camera. And turn it, and it opens up, which also opens up here, which we can get a little mystery one out. And I don't know if you can see it, but as you turn it, going this way, as you can see, that opens up that, which also opens up this one. And a little mystery is I know you can't see it on camera. I wish that they had a little chat sheet that told us, you know, what our charms were, how many charms there is, what charms there are to collect for the charm accessories. So this looks like a little boat with a nut. So probably like a hex boat with a nut or something. I mean, a hex nut was kind of like a little eye hook boat or something, or I don't know. It's a boat and nut, but just doesn't really anything. It's kind of hard to make out, but believe me, take my word, that is what this is. A boat, a hex boat. Yeah, not a boat. A hex nut. I always want to call that the boat. It's a hex nut and some type of a boat. So anyway, you could put your little fitter. Here, let me take the key out. So you could put your keys, not your keys, but these keys on here. The little fitter. Let me lock that down. Take this little one, stuff that in there. Take this main one. And, you know, you can stuff that in there. Always good to, you know, put on your keychain for a little keychain thing. No, are they good lots for like your backpack or TSA lots? No, honestly. Are they good to, like, I don't know, maybe put in your backpack for like a little charm or something? Charm wise, a little dangly thing to have? Yes. Your actual keys? No. Going through TSA security? You know, when you fly it? No. So, yeah. And the cool thing is, the keys are so big that they give you enough cord in here, if I do it the right way, that you could actually have it on there, go in here, and then get down in there, and then you can open it up. and get all your stuff out. So yeah, that's kind of cool. So yeah, here's everything that you get. One checklist, one tentative lot, one lot POW, 2 keys, and 2 charm accessories. For the $7.99 and $9.99, about $10 price list over at Walmart, no, definitely not worth it. For the dollar and whatever sales taxes at the dollar store, okay, it's definitely worth it for $1 at the dollar store. Walmart, between the $7.99 and $9.99 price list, nope, no. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that little like button, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.